Let's be honest. Most people think reaching a perfect credit score is like running a marathon. It takes years of waiting and hoping the banks notice you. But what if I told you there's a fast track, a way to teleport your score into the 800 South, legally, and much faster than the experts want you to know. Today, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint to hit that 800 club, even if you're stuck in the 600s right now. No fluff, no filler, just the tactics. Let's get into it. The first move and the fastest is the AZEO method. That stands for all zero, except one. Look, the credit algorithm is a bit weird. If all your credit cards show a zero balance, the system thinks you aren't active. But if they all show a balance, it thinks you're struggling. The sweet spot: pay off every single card to zero. But leave one card, just one, with a tiny balance, something small like $10 or $15. This shows 1% utilization. And it's like a cheat code that can jump your score 20 to 50 points, sometimes in just 30 days. But wait, timing is everything. Most people pay their bill on the due date. That's a mistake. The banks report your balance to the bureaus on the statement closing date, which is usually a few days before your due date. If you pay on the due date, the high balance has already been reported. Your score stays low. The fix: pay your bill 3 days before the statement closing date. That way, when the bank reports to the credit bureaus, it shows you almost nothing. It's a simple shift that changes everything. Now, what if your credit history is just too short? You can't buy time. Right. Actually, you can. It's called the authorized user hack. If you have a family member with a perfect payment record and a card they've owned for 10 or 15 years, ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Just by being on that account, their entire 10-year history gets copied and pasted onto your credit report. It's like a legal time machine for your financial reputation. One more thing: 1 in 3 Americans has an error on their credit report. 1 in 3. A single late payment that wasn't actually late can tank your score by 100 points. Go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free. Look for zombie debt or accounts you don't recognize. Dispute them immediately. When those errors vanish, your score will finally have the room it needs to breathe, reaching an 800 score in about luck. It's about playing the game with the right rules. Start with the AZEO method today. Check your statement dates. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that financial literacy matters. Comment below with your current score goal, and let's get there together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.